Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up.
All right, so we're right here at Seaside Elementary. We're doing the tiebreakers for the older kids. They're competing for the first, second, and third place right now. We're doing the tiebreakers because the winners kept winning. So let's get to it.
Currently I am at what I find to be a banger chess camp. I'm at Seaside. It's very fun. They give lessons, you play games, and they host mini tournaments. It's open to ages kinder through 8th grade. This is the final day of this camp. I did compete in the tournament, and I think I did okay. I got 4th place by my according to my calculations. I did sort of good in my opinion. And it's a very friendly environment here. A lot of good chess players.
What's up? We're here at the winter chess camp with these beautiful children. It's the 3rd day, last day. Today's Saturday. We never do camp on a Saturday, but we're gonna do the prizes pretty soon. We're gonna do the award ceremony. And then we're gonna raffle off a Nintendo Switch and 2 carry-all chess sets, which is amazing. So stay tuned.
Hi, my name is Dylan, and I went to the Winter Chess Camp of 2024. And I think I did good in the tournaments.
Hi, my name is Luke Raffle. I'm in 6th grade, and the reason I keep joining chess club is because there is so many people here that will just play with you. Like when you're doing recess, you can play basketball. Everyone will let you play. And also the competition here, it's not like you can't win. It's not like everyone's so good. It's like just a casual chess camp that you could just have fun being here and maybe win some trophies if you're good enough. I did pretty good in the tournament. I went undefeated.
10 seconds to sit down. 10.
Boys and girls, if you're ready for prizes, you need to go ahead and pick up 2 pieces of trash in 30 seconds. On your mark and set, go! It is time for trophy announcements. We have 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th place. It was a tough tournament, and we're also going to be raffling 2 chess sets and a Nintendo Switch after the trophy announcement.
So for the winners, on 4th place, we have Aiden. Just to let you guys know, we had a 4-way tiebreaker. So we did the tiebreakers, and that's how we decided 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th place. They went on a battle. We have Dylan. Yeah. And 2nd place, he only lost once. Avon. Yeah! That's right. Well done. Congratulations. And the only undefeated, the one and only, drum roll, Luke. Round of applause. Yes, sir. 2 portable chess sets and Nintendo Switch OLED.
All right, close your eyes, close your eyes. Grab 1 paper. This is Jaden.
Hey, you got a carry-all chess set.
Oliver, so. All right.
Nice, dude. What'd you think about the camp?
It was amazing.
It was all right. So did you have fun playing with the older kids, or
Oh, yeah.
what are some things you learned?
I learned some moves and some checkmates.
Some different checkmates, some
Yeah.
end game checkmates. Yeah, I saw
Yeah.
them teaching some of that stuff in there. All right, so you're gonna come to the next one?
Yeah.
Sweet, man. All right, good to see you, bro. We'll see you at your school.
Yeah.
And that wraps up the winter chess camp. We had a lot of fun. Happy New Year. It's gonna be a new year of a bunch of chess programs going on, from spring break to summer camps to after school chess programs. So yeah, subscribe, like, comment, do all that stuff. Hit the notification bell. Thanks to Coach Davis over here with his Yoshi sweater. He was the one that did the tournament directing. Usually we have Adam come and do it, and we will have Adam back. That's my attorney. But yeah, so thanks a lot. We'll see you guys. Thanks for all the support out there. For all of you who have been coming to our chess camps and our chess programs, thank you for all the support. We love you guys. Peace.